I am just. I don't know what you're making me do.
Don't be scared. Okay, let me just give you a brief.
Don't be scared. How will you know me? There's nothing called don't be scared in my life. All my life from the time I've been a kid, I'm only scared.
Acha, listen, I'm gonna make you get over your fear. This is part 1, by the way, interestingly, of me getting you over your fears.
You're right.
RML Colony, there's a stretch of road which is shut after 12:30 at night because, and this is fact, I'm not bullshitting. Seriously, I swear on you.
I googled it.
Okay. So for people who are watching, is that there is a lady who appears in a white sari, and at times she ends up sitting in a rickshaw or coming in the middle of the road, and there are lots of incidents that people have seen it.
But she doesn't come into expensive cars, does she? I hope she does not.
I hope she does not. But I think she has good taste. She just might show up here. Anyway, I'm going to take you down the stretch of road where she has been sighted. I have never been there. I've only seen her passing in the daytime. But I'm there with you, so just relax.
I
And we'll
cannot.
enjoy.
You know, you say the most strangest things.
Don't worry.
What do you mean by relax?
I'm there. No?
Okay, it's a big deal for me. I really want to do this, but I don't know what I'm in for. What am I going to get out of it? I have no idea. But well, I hope it just works for my film.
I'll try and not make scary sounds.
Whatever you do, you know, Supan, I'm going to so kill you if there's a prank. We have to just go there, walk and all that, and that's
walk
all.
in the park.
That's
RML Colony. Walk in the park. Don't worry. Don't stand there, Baba. Nothing to be scared. Just come. Please, there's nobody there. There's no booth.
Shut up! You're the biggest booth I'm trying to
That is, see that light there? Somewhere in middle in that road is where she
Why
usually
couldn't
appears.
we get my stuff?
Just come. It's all safe. Come.
You
come,
go.
come. अरे पापा I'm with you. मतलब मेरे में थोड़ी आत्मा आने वाली है. Tension मत
Shut up!
कुछ नहीं होगा.
Always say.
Good things. You're actually praying. Don't be scared. Hello, it is only 12:30. Witching hour is at 2 o'clock in the night.
No, let's not do this. It's just to face my fear.
So just walk around. Don't be scared. It's all good.
Oh God. Suban, let's not do
Come.
this. Bus, please, हो गया
Papa,
ना.
I am with you. No.
2 minutes.
I am with you. Just keep coming. Just keep coming. It's all safe. You just see. I am not scared.
You are not scared.
And yesterday was a full moon night. Today it's not.
Shut up.
So
Stupid.
usually witches hang from there. अरे कुछ नहीं है ऊपर कुछ है कुछ नहीं है
Okay.
किधर कुछ नहीं है किधर
You know, Suban, I
कुछ
can't
नहीं
go
है
anymore.
You're imagining stuff. आ तो कुछ भी नहीं है
I hate you.
किधर What
Shut up.
Oh shit wait वहाँ देख Can you see
No.
Can you see
Suban.
Can you see
Don't scare me, idiot.
Can you see
Are you?
There is oh shit
Listen.
there is someone there
Don't around with me, huh?
I'm hello
Don't around with me. What the is that?
Come out.
What is that?
Come out. Nobody there, Baba. It's just someone I kept there to scare you. There are no ghosts on the planet. I'm telling you, there are no
Just
ghosts.
shut up. Who's that?
Ghosts. Who's there? Come. I'll get her. I'll get her. Where? But what are you seeing? I can't see anybody. There's nobody there. Come. So don't be scared.
Yeah.
I just planned a prank.
Suban, don't go here.
Come here. Oh!
Shut up! Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
Scared of.
What is
Nothing to be
that?
scared of.
Suban!
Huh?
You made someone hide?
Come here. This is my friend in a white sari.
Oh my
Don't be
God!
scared.
Oh Thank God! I don't want to be with her.
Come here.
No, I don't want to be with her. Come on,
One picture with her.
No, I want to go back.
It's just a prank. Stop being upset. Stop being upset. Stop being so scared. Your hands are cold.
Yeah.
She has cold hands. Are you serious?
I am really scared.
Listen, that stretch is
I
haunted,
am
but it doesn't
not.
happen before 2 o'clock in the night.
If I had a stroke for promotion, you would have no heroine.
Yeah, but
You know,
film would have been so great.
Facing your fear and getting into a prank are two different things.
But you liked it or not?
No, I didn't like it. I almost was having a mini cardiac arrest. But knowing you, I knew there could be a prank. But
I promise
seeing
you.
her,
Huh?
like, I can't believe, like, the most typical thing, girl in white sari, would freak me out also.
No, but placed correctly, it works, no? Acha, here's what I promise you: when you go to Jaipur and Delhi and Calcutta, I will take you to haunted places, but not play pranks on you.
We will see.
Whatever
if
you
we go
experience, you will
anywhere after this, I cannot deal with another prank for sure. Like and to go to a haunted place, it's I don't know. It's not a
pray
very.
to God. No, just pray to God tonight. It's all okay.
I did pray. I did pray.
You started with a prayer, yeah? I saw.
I did Gayatri mantra. That's the only mantra I know.
Well, now I know you're a
Anything,
religious soul.
You know. Yeah. I believe in God, and I hope this. You know.
But see, luckily for you, Mukesh Mills was shut. They wouldn't allow us inside because it's sealed. Otherwise, I would have taken you there.
Yeah, that would have been a step, but.
That would have been a big step. And you were ready for it, so I admire that about you. Seriously.
Oh yeah, I don't want to be scared all my life. I'm like now the face of fear according to
So
media.
Bipasha is not scared anymore, I hope.
Yeah, right. It just looked like that. I don't know what footage we have.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, this is Akash Deep Sehgal. Subscribe to Bollywood now.